Imagine searching for something online, like the best running shoes. You type in your query and hit enter. At the top of the results, you see a few ads with the word ad next to them. These are not just any results, they are paid advertisements. That's PPC advertising in action. It's a model where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Businesses pay for these ads to appear when people search for keywords related to their products or services. This means they can target potential customers who are already interested in what they offer. They only pay when someone actually clicks on the ad, hence, pay per click. This makes it a cost-effective way to drive traffic to their websites. PPC is a big deal in the online world because it offers instant visibility. The moment your ad is approved, it can start appearing in search results. Unlike SEO, which takes time to show results, PPC can drive traffic to a website from day one. This immediacy is crucial for businesses looking to make a quick impact. This makes it an attractive option for businesses looking for immediate results and a quick return on their advertising investment. The ability to see instant results can be a game changer. In today's digital age where competition is fierce, PPC has become an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. It levels the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with larger ones. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, PPC can help you reach your target audience, generate leads, and boost sales. It's a versatile tool that can be tailored to fit any budget. As more businesses realize its potential, the demand for skilled PPC professionals is skyrocketing. Learning PPC can open up numerous career opportunities in the ever-growing field of digital marketing. Starting a PPC advertising business can be incredibly rewarding. First and foremost, the earning potential is substantial. As a PPC expert, you'll be helping businesses make money, and they're willing to pay handsomely for it. Secondly, you get to be your own boss. You set your own hours, choose your clients, and have the flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This level of freedom is a major draw for many entrepreneurs. Thirdly, the industry is constantly evolving, which keeps things interesting. You'll always be learning new strategies, experimenting with different platforms, and staying ahead of the curve. This constant growth and learning can be intellectually stimulating and professionally satisfying. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to excel in PPC. With the right approach and mindset, anyone can master the basics and even become an expert over time. However, a good grasp of digital marketing fundamentals is helpful. Understanding the core principles will give you a solid foundation to build upon. Familiarize yourself with concepts like keywords, landing pages, conversion rates, and ad copywriting. These elements are crucial for creating effective PPC campaigns. Next, you'll need the right tools. The right set of tools can make a significant difference in your campaign's performance and efficiency. Thankfully, most of them are free or relatively inexpensive. This means you can get started without a huge investment. Google Ads is a must-have, as it's the most popular PPC platform. Its extensive features and user-friendly interface make it a go-to choice for many marketers. Other useful tools include keyword research tools, landing page builders, and analytics dashboards. These tools help you optimize your campaigns and track their success. Invest in your education. Plenty of online courses, certifications, and resources can teach you the ins and outs of PPC advertising, from beginner to advanced levels. These educational resources are invaluable for continuous improvement. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead in this fast-paced industry. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to changes and new trends. Now for the exciting part, launching your first campaign. This is where all your preparation and planning come together. It's a thrilling moment, but it's important to stay focused and follow the steps carefully to ensure success. Start by identifying your target audience. Knowing who you want to reach is crucial for the effectiveness of your campaign. Who are you trying to reach? Consider factors like age, gender, location, and interests. The more specific you can be, the better. What are their interests and pain points? Understanding these aspects will help you tailor your message to resonate with them. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start researching relevant keywords. Use tools like keyword planners to find terms that your target audience is searching for. Next, create compelling ad copy that grabs attention and entices users to click. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and include a strong call to action. Your landing page should be optimized for conversions. meaning it should be designed to guide visitors towards taking a specific action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. Ensure it is user-friendly and loads quickly. Set a budget and bid strategically on your chosen keywords. Decide how much you are willing to spend per click and monitor your spending to avoid overspending. Monitor your campaign's performance closely, tracking key metrics like click-through rate, cost per click, and conversion rate. Regularly review these metrics to understand how well your campaign is performing. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments based on the data you gather. Continuous optimization is key to improving your campaign's effectiveness and achieving your marketing goals.